Hey guys, today I'm going to be trading with my sister, but I'm trading pink stuff and she's got green stuff. So yeah, today I don't really play with this fidget spinner so much, but it does have my name on, so I'm going to just put it in the trade.
Well, I will trade this, but you guys are thinking this is yellow, but it glows in the dark green.
Yeah. So will you accept?
Let me try this. Okay, I'll accept if you accept.
Okay. Accept.
Accept.
Guys, I just got a glow in the dark puppet. Cool. We'll have to try that out tonight.
Once I got all of my fidgets traded, I'm going to get a purple simple dimple.
Cool. Trading pink tangle, going once, going twice, going 3 times.
Green tangle.
That looks all mushed up.
Look. And it's really flexible.
Decline, I'm sorry. Can I actually have my things back now?
No trade back.
Okay, I'll add this pink Nido.
Green Nido.
Let's just see how it looks.
Just because of the colours.
Well, I'm going to have to not do that. Even guys, I'm wearing pink PJs.
And I'm wearing green.
Yep, I'll show you guys.
And red and green. Greeny. Okay,
Please, can we do my trade back? Yes, guys, because I just love the colour pink. Maybe I can trade this in, but she needs to do good offer for this. Because this was actually out of my money. Listen to it, guys. And other side. Yes, you need to offer good.
Okay, I'll offer you really good stuff. Which, just because it's one of those, let me see.
You can't touch it. You need to offer a lot.
I'm getting a purple one, but it's the colour. To those.
Okay.
It's the deal. Bye.
Guys, I'll show you my collection now. And I also don't do any trade backs.
So I'm going to get more stuff.
I've got a glow in the dark pocket, another tangle, 2 of these now, another one of these, 2 of these, and 1 of these. Oh my god, guys.
I just came back from the shop.
What?